What if I told you that one of Europe's smallest countries has survived crusaders, empires, occupations, and world wars, yet never lost its identity? Welcome to Latvia, a Baltic nation whose history is a remarkable story of resilience, culture, and survival. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the history, culture, and fascinating stories of countries from around the world. Today, we're traveling to Latvia, a beautiful country on the eastern coast of the Baltic Sea, known for its rich heritage, medieval cities, and strong national spirit. But to understand modern Latvia, we must first journey back thousands of years, the first inhabitants. Long before modern borders existed, ancient Baltic tribes settled in the lands that would become Latvia. Surrounded by dense forests, rivers, and the Baltic coastline, these early communities relied on farming, fishing, hunting, and trade, the first inhabitants. Long before modern borders existed, ancient Baltic tribes settled in the lands that would become Latvia. Surrounded by dense forests, rivers, and the Baltic coastline, these early communities relied on farming, fishing, hunting, and trade. For centuries, they lived independently, developing unique traditions, beliefs, and languages that formed the foundation of Latvian culture. The arrival of Crusaders. Everything changed during the 12th and 13th centuries. German Crusaders arrived in the Baltic region with the goal of spreading Christianity. Powerful military orders established control over the area, building massive castles and fortifications. During this period, the city of Riga was founded and quickly grew into one of Northern Europe's most important trading centers. Its location on major trade routes brought wealth, influence, and connections to distant lands. Centuries of foreign rule. Over the following centuries, Latvia became a battleground for powerful empires. Different regions came under the control of Germany, Poland, Sweden, and eventually the Russian Empire. Each ruler left its mark on the country's politics, architecture, and society. Despite centuries of foreign domination, Latvians preserved their language, traditions, songs, and cultural identity. Their determination ensured that the Latvian spirit never disappeared, the birth of a nation. The early 20th century brought dramatic change. Following the collapse of empires during World War I, Latvia declared independence on November 18, 1918. For the first time in history, Latvians had their own sovereign nation. The young country focused on building democratic institutions, strengthening education, and developing its economy. It was a period filled with hope and national pride, the dark years of World War II. However, Latvia's independence would soon face its greatest challenge. During World War II, the country was occupied first by the Soviet Union, then by Nazi Germany, and later again by Soviet forces. The war caused enormous suffering. Thousands of people lost their lives, families were separated, and many citizens were deported or forced to flee. When the war ended, Latvia remained under Soviet control for nearly 5 decades, life under Soviet rule. As part of the Soviet Union, Latvia experienced major political, economic, and social changes. Industry expanded, cities grew, and infrastructure developed. At the same time, political freedoms were limited, and expressions of national identity were often restricted. Yet throughout these years, Latvians continued to protect their culture, language, and traditions. The dream of independence never faded, the return of freedom. By the late 1980s, change was sweeping across Eastern Europe. Latvians joined peaceful movements calling for freedom and self-determination. One of the most remarkable events was the Baltic Way, when millions of people across the Baltic nations formed a human chain stretching hundreds of kilometers. Their message was clear: they wanted independence. In 1991, Latvia successfully restored its sovereignty and once again became an independent nation. Latvia today. Today, Latvia is a modern democratic country and a member of both the European Union and NATO. Its capital city, Riga, is famous for its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and historical town. The country is known for its beautiful forests, picturesque coastline, advanced technology sector, and high quality of life. Latvia continues to honor its past while embracing the opportunities of the future, from ancient Baltic tribes and medieval castles to independence, occupation, Latvia's history is truly extraordinary. And that is the story of Latvia, the resilient heart of the Baltic region. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating country stories from around the world.